These dreamy anime videos are going absolutely viral on Instagram right now. This account has 263,000 followers, and their posts are pulling in hundreds of thousands to millions of views. Some have even hit 16 million, 6 million, and 4 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Dreamy Anime Lab and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 dreamy anime scenes to choose from. You can either type a number in or say more for a fresh batch. I'm going to go with number 6. The GPT will now give you a detailed image prompt and a video prompt, perfectly written for these kinds of videos. So just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box, set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. The wildflowers, the golden light, that girl and her dog in the hammock. It looks like it's straight out of a Ghibli film. So just pick your favorite image and click Image to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and select Kling 3.0 as your video model. Now go back to the GPT and copy your video prompt. Paste it back into OpenArt. Turn off the audio toggle, set the output to 5 seconds and 1080p, and hit Generate. And it's that simple. Now you know how to make dreamy anime scenes ready to go viral on Instagram. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.